Hello, my name is Nicolas Villarreal. I worked as an intern for Texas nonprofit theaters, observing audiences and gathering data on the various demographics that came through these theaters age, race, and income to just see the diversity of who attends theatrical productions. On top of this, I also worked in technical aspects, building and maintaining various props and set pieces. In addition, I also was tutored in financial and management areas of the theater to learn about theater not just as an art form, but as a business. I believe theater is relevant to us in our everyday lives because we already consume so much media, so much digital media, television, movies, streaming, but theater has something more intimate and something that is a little more impactful because you are there to witness this in real time. Live theater also has the ability to question things that you cannot really question or put out there in digital practice. And that is why I think it is very relevant to our society today because there are questions that are harder to come by and harder to understand that are much more digestible in a more intimate setting.